Medenya mevodho itina wandu the kumela mathikoni mamo tandithia Jackson Kibor kwa kauntini ya Uasin Gishu Ndeke ya mukiti wa Osumbi na Azimio wa Kenya Raila Odinga ena Kukimangweni na Mavia ni nguthu ya amwika yumwene kevela wa chama cha ODM John Badi ni wasya vena mauvundesio makuvundesya amwika maundu ma umamai maende moyumbe wa Suba South Asia kana serikali kwisira Mavia wa NIS novalokete vanene na wailete Kwitikila withianu maundu tano ma ithoko Badi oingene wasya kana ODM ni mathokisye Uekeo munini wa Musumbi ya Ruto indi asya kana andu amwe metasya Uekeo o mesikila kiende Benjamin mwaka no kututhiania ingewa
ona hitina wa Mavia wa isalu DCI kusetambia kumathuima hala onthe meukona na kilingi cha Kukimangwa Ndeke ya Raila Odinga muthiano wa chuma kivetu yu chama cha ODM kwa ivinda mbevyo ni chayumilia kumana ya Kiko dino tumanu wa chama kuma kwa mwene kivilo wake John Badi wetakana ni vatonekana ndongo ina siende kumavundise nthi mituo mithuku ya kuvuluka mugo na kampeni sia sinda nimo mbewo nyuvani umunene ukite.
The government must go deeper and find out if there are some Kenyans who are training our youth in order to misuse them. I don't even want to say use them after the general election.
Kiko na kila chumani wene kufikia President Uhuru Kenyatta kwiwa chumwa kisukiwa hayumbe Caleb Kositani wa kiliyumbe cha Soi na Oskasudi wa Kapsaret banaina kianda kinene ndino wa kilingi sikino mwene kivila wa ODM na longi ni munene wa ala hanini mbungeni akati asa kuitwe suba ya ithio heweta kwanana na undu Raila na Ndeke yake na kimangiwe banaina mukwata nivya.
I am not saying the Deputy President has done that, but what I'm saying is apart from the apologies and apart from the arrests, apart from MPs who are being invited to go and write statements, I am seeing something bigger. I'm seeing an organized group appearing in some section of this country, numbering in hundreds. I'm seeing a group that does not fear the police.
Na unakutuika mutongoi wa chama cha UDA munini wa President Dr. William Ruto nunetise Uekeo kwa mutongoi wa ODM kumana na Kiko bali heweta ODM maina thina na kuitwa Uekeo atyo enda ukunikeli wathi uluto aiweta maofisa mausesei ni mana komye uyani vyo ndongoi sia chama cha UDA sithiro iweta ndamboka ya munini wa President William Ruto kuyakondele kauntini ya Kisumu mwakani muvetu wanayone ya vulukiwe na serikali ya komesya medhovyo.
I'm taking the apology, I'm taking government's action, but it is not enough. So there is already a failure on the part of the government that someone should have alerted the security organs even on the magnitude of the attack. So the question of police officers being overwhelmed is not an answer to this question.
Na yu no aweta ni wana nyuambevyo wakana chama cha UDA na ngwatanio ya kiuteti ya Kenya Kwanza ni maambe ya Kwitikila kusindwa ndino wa masemba ama kivila chosumbi unuvanini umunene ukite kiende Mavia wa isalu DCI no mudhoke chekwe uni muyumbe wa suna umilono wa suwa Junet Mohamed kunenga na ueleso wake yulu wakila kithu waki naendeye kavindani Ndeke ya Raila kuwathangwa na Mavia.
That we feel and smell that something is going on in this country, that some people who have already sensed defeat are actually trying to organize our youth, using them and taking advantage of the desperation of our youth.
Dilivotea vilingo wa mauvo kumava kauntini lovi nyeneta wa Benjamin mwaka.